Whoa, what is this thing? It's the Mega Fun Factory, Mr. Play-Doh Head. Mega Fun Factory? What does it do? Well, it can make anything out of Play-Doh. Whoa, it can make anything? Can it make me food? Because I'm starving. It sure can, Mr. Play-Doh Head. What would you like to eat? Could you make me a hamburger? Sure thing. First, we'll use some of this orange Play-Doh to make the buns. Now just sit back, relax, and watch the Mega Fun Factory do its thing. Stamp out some shapes. Cut it in two. Check it out, Mr. Play-Doh Head. 2 perfect hamburger buns. Whoa, that's so cool. I can't believe it actually works. I told you it would make anything. Now let me make the rest of the hamburger. I'm going to use brown Play-Doh to make the hamburger patty. I'll use green Play-Doh for the lettuce. And yellow Play-Doh for the cheese. Now let's stamp. Come on. There we go. No need to cut. Okay. Here's a juicy patty. A slice of American cheese. And a fresh piece of lettuce. Now let me make the cheeseburger. Perfect! It's time to feed Mr. Play-Doh Head this juicy cheeseburger. Wow, that looks delicious. I hope it tastes just as good as it looks. Here you go. Yum! Do you think you can make me some more food? Sure thing, Mr. Play-Doh Head. What would you like? Can you make me some fruits and vegetables? Of course. I'll start by using red Play-Doh to make a tomato. Add green Play-Doh to make a watermelon. And I'll use orange Play-Doh to make a carrot. Follow the same steps as before. Awesome! Let's check it out. Here's a big red tomato. Here's a slice of tasty-looking watermelon. And here's a crunchy orange carrot. These fruits and vegetables look delicious. I can't wait to see what they taste like. Try this tomato first. So good. The carrot next, please. Here you go. Now try something fresh and juicy. I'm almost full. I want to eat something sweet. Can you make me some type of dessert, please? Sure thing, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Let's use this white Play-Doh and see what it turns into. Awesome! The Mega Fun Factory made a bunch of gumballs. Whoa, gumballs? Gumballs are my favorite. I can't wait to eat them all. Thank you for feeding me food. It was delicious. As thanks, let me give you some surprise toys to open up. Wow, thanks, Mr. Play-Doh Ed. Let's start by checking out this Shopkins Wild Style toy. Awesome! We got a teal animal case. Let's see which two Shopkins are hiding inside. Our first Shopkins is Spilt Milk. Here's a closer look at Spilt Milk. And our second Shopkins is Cutie Compact. Here's a closer look at Cutie Compact. Now let's check out this My Little Pony Fashions. We got Fluttershy. Next up, let's check out this Troll Series 6 blind bag. We found Satin. She's in a glittery purple dress, and she has light blue hair. On to our final surprise toy. Let's check out this Num Nom Series 5. Our Num is Lemonade Jelly Roll. Here's a closer look at Lemonade Jelly Roll. Now let's see who our nom is. Awesome! It's a special edition gloss-up. We got watermelon gloss-up. Here's a closer look. And here's how the gloss-up looks. Well, I hope you had fun today. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!